MY Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. What to do is like, share, comment, help MY Garage to move on. So today I'm here about why is my engine overheating? Why is my engine overheat? I have the 8 reasons why your engine can do overheating. So stay tuned and let's move on. One, let's see this thermostat. This is thermostat. Here is a thermostat. If your thermostat is effective or it's not working, thermostat sees, your engine will do overheating because if this stuck and not open, the water of the coolant system will not circulate. So this can cause overheating. This is the thermostat I'm talking about. Two, this is the pressure cap. Pressure cap has a tank or reservoir pressure cap. If the pressure cap spoil, this one too will do overheating, will cause overheating. So things that come together to create overheating to your engine is this pressure cap, thermostats, and then 3 have the water pump. So this is the water pump. You can see, this is the water pump. This is the water pump where this one, it will not pump the water, or it will not help the circulation of the water. So it will cause overheating. So this is the water pump I'm talking about. So if your car is doing overheating regularly, you have to check your water pump. Are you supposed to send to a good mechanic or technician to check and to diagnose for you? So this is one reason to make your engine was overheating. That's 3. 4, when your tank or the reservoir tank is not good. This tank is for Chevrolet. Yes. If this one is not good, your car will do overheating, and you see your water will start to boil. This reservoir tank. But Chevrolet got it in tank and reservoir tank. So if your reservoir tank is not good, it will cause overheating. It will create overheating. So this is the why your engine overheat. Is for 5. Then if your fan, if the fan is not good, your fan doesn't come on time, because the fan is supposed to come on time, but the fan is supposed to come on time. If the fan doesn't come on time, it will cause overheating to your car. So you're supposed to check the fan, how the fan shoot out is because overheating. It is spoil fan. Yes, spoil fan. And then the 6 is your water tank itself. If this one choked, it will definitely create overheating to your car. See these lines over here. These small lines, when it chokes, cause overheating. The blockage inside If block inside, it causes overheating, especially if you don't use right coolant. Right coolant will create that rust inside this tank, and this tank will choke and it cause overheating. So this is the process. Six, seven is your temperature sensor. Your temperature sensor. You can see the temperature sensor. If your temperature sensor is not good, it can cause overheating. Temperature sensor is not good. It will not help the fan shoot out. So it happen like this, your car will create overheating because the fan will not shoot out. It will not come. So this is the temperature sensor. The 7 and then the 8 when there is a leakage in your car. When there's a leakage in your car, then it didn't see it earlier or spot it earlier, your car will keep overheating. Because the water, the coolant will finish inside the reservoir or the tank and will create overheating. So the leakage, coolant leakage is one of them. And then lastly is your gasket. When your gasket got bent, when your gasket got bent, it will cause overheating. When your gasket got bent. So all this thing leads to the gasket bend. All the 8 things happens. After that, the end you get your gasket bend. This is the head gasket, cylinder head gasket. So you got bent, it also creates overheating. So subscribe to AK Garage and help, comment, share. If there anything, AK Garage is there for you